All right, good morning. Well, good afternoon for me. It's about 5 p.m. here. Want to recap some of the trades I took today. Great day. So here it is. Here's the high, right? I marked it right here because that's about 5 o'clock. This particular bar right here is 4:30 in the afternoon, right when the first reopened. So, but regardless, it's right here, right? You take, I put it right here, but then I use this to draw my trend, right? So you got this descending channel. I also marked this particular one right here. Let's take a look at the trade. So, well, here's the results. Great day. Took 7, got all 7, and then resulted in a net of 11.18, right? Took us to 98% to our goal. All right, so let's take a look at this. Okay, so one thing about today is that the market gives us a lot of opportunities, right? So the first trade I took is about 726. Well, I'm sorry, 627. And the last trade I took is about 725, 726. And that's it. Within an hour, we got 7 trades, right? And then after that, I just decided that I had enough and I stopped. Okay, so here we go. So right off the bat, we got 1. Here's the second. That's here's the second entry is technically right here, right? It took back up, it came back down, but I didn't take that because this channel right here is not confirmed yet. You can see that also the down is also, here's 1 up and then down. Here's the second entry long as well. I didn't take it because it hasn't confirmed yet. Okay, but 1, 2 went right up here, bounce against this channel right here. Got 1, 2, 3 confirmations, so I decided to take it, and then bam, got my scalp and came in right here, got my scalp, and then a little bit over, well, and a tick on the runner. So got that one, and soon later we formed this little channel, right there, comes up. Let's see here, where are we? This is technically not a second entry, but it still worked. I read it, and so I count this right here. Here's one entry, came down, and then second entry. The reason why I said it's not is because this particular, it's let me zoom in. Every time that we have it matches the low, I normally recount. I'm just trying to think, what did I do there? So let's see, 1. Yeah. So this one I took it. I think if I didn't catch it, I don't think I would have taken it, right? But again, we're doing this live and real time, right? So that's why sometimes I missed it. So come up, scalp, and then runner got a point, a little bit over a point, came back up here, start coming down. So I drew a new channel once I have the swing, right? So 1, first entry, come down, and then I believe the second entry is right here. Yes, second entry came down. The reason I took this is because it came down and bounced against this particular one here. Okay, there was one, I hope I remember, but there was one that I did not take. Oh, this particular one here came down, hit this. This channel right here hit this right here. I didn't take that one. If I'd taken it, it would have worked, but then I never tested. So there you go, you have that one, came back, we got a scalp, came down. If I were paying attention closer, this would be a good short, right in the middle of everything. Doesn't really have any support or resistance. The only thing is it's close to the overnight low here, so that might come into consideration not to take, but Anyway, come down, bounce once, right? I was tempting to take this one, but I decided not to. For lesson learned from yesterday. Come down, bounce right here. This is a little scary. But I came in right here. I said, hey, you know what? This is such a bullish bar, even though it looks like a doji, but it went all the way down here and came back up to where the open is. So I tried to get in, but I placed it a little high, so went in right here. Got my scalp, came back, break even on the runner, lost on the commission though, right? Came back down. Now you have a second entry, one, first entry, second entry, long, came up, got the scalp, the runner 2 points. If you watch the video on these trades, right, I could have gotten more, but like I said, I'm really busy in the morning, so I can't really manage these things. So I decided to just take it and get out. And then comes the last trade, I believe, or maybe there's two more. So first entry, second entry, really good bullish bar, form a bottom. When you see the first test like this, stay out. First test, right? There's nothing here. This particular one here, I think I tried to get in, but it didn't get filled, right? You try to get in because touch the channel like 3 times, right? If it ticks back up, chances are it's going to make it back up here, but it never did. That's why you have to wait until it ticks, okay? You gotta wait until it ticks. Yesterday I mentioned something that I didn't wait for it to tick because the previous bar, your signal bar, already ticked over the trigger bar, right? Well, the bar that you're watching is already tick over your trigger bar. So came down here. I think I took this one. Oh, okay. So this play, if you watch the video, you can see this one clearly. Okay, so came down, bottoming out right here. Okay, and then I placed an order right here because of this bullish bar. Came up, linger around here, linger, came back down, touches the bottom. Okay, my stop loss is 1 tick below that, right? If it ticked over, I would have lost this trade, but it didn't. So it stays right there, bounce back up, close right here, and then I'm like, okay, so the bottom is holding. I place another order right here. Okay, so it's a double order because at this point I'm pretty confident that it will hold. Okay, I could be wrong, but the high probability that it will work. So I put another order right here and was able to get my scalp. Okay, was able to get my scalp, and then again I moved the runner down just to get it. I'm like, okay, it's enough. But there you have it, 7 out of 7. Okay, now back to my point about managing the runners, right? A lot of times, so if you look, once you pull to break even, it normally comes back and kick you out, right? So if that happens 3 times, that's equivalent to a runner getting a 3-point runner, right? So I think what moving forward, what I'm going to do is maybe I'll just get the scalp, right? Maybe I'll just get the scalp and wait on the runner until, like, if I can scale up to like 5 contracts or something. If I do 5 contracts and I get the scalp, that's $200, right? And then I can afford to lose on some commission. But right now I think it's kind of skew, and if you do the runner, it's a lot of management, right? So but something to think about. Okay, again, really good day. Look at the last 5-6 days, 2, 4, 6, 7 days straight, right? 7 days straight with positive. But yesterday and today really demonstrate, really got above that 90% and above, right? So pretty good. All right, so see you guys. It's Friday, so see you guys next week. Okay, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.
canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Target. Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled. filled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order filled. Target.